Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of cryptocurrency, you might be wondering how to transfer your Bitcoin from Coinbase to Cash App in 2025. Don't worry, I've got you covered with this simple, step-by-step guide. By the end of this video, you'll be sending Bitcoin like a pro, saving time and avoiding common pitfalls. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Coinbase and Cash App. Start by opening the Coinbase app or heading to their website on your computer. Log in with your credentials. Remember, security is key, so use two-factor authentication if you can. Once you're logged in, navigate to your dashboard and select your Bitcoin wallet. You'll see your current balance. That's the Bitcoin you want to send. Now, hit the Send or Transfer button. It's usually pretty straightforward. Next, you need the recipient's wallet address from Cashapp. Open your Cashapp app, go to the Bitcoin section, and copy the wallet address provided. This is crucial. Double-check it to avoid any mistakes, as sending to the wrong address could mean losing your funds forever. Back in Coinbase, paste that address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to send, and don't forget to review any transaction fees. In 2025, fees might vary based on network congestion, so keep an eye on that to minimize costs. Before you confirm, take a moment to verify everything: the address, the amount, and the fees. Once you're good, hit send and wait for the confirmation. It could take a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on the blockchain. A quick tip: always use official apps and websites to prevent scams. And if you're new to this, start with a small amount to test the waters. There you have it. That's how you send Bitcoin from Coinbase to Cash App in 2025. It's easier than you think, right? If this helped, smash that like button and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.